Hey, this is Emily at Inflatable Kayaks. I'm going to show you how to install the foot pegs into the Jaspara range of kayaks. I have here the Quest Solo, but the process is the same for the whole Quest and Odyssey range. So first thing you need to do is notice that it's actually going to be easier to slide anything through when the kayak's got a bit of give. So either deflated or partially inflated. You can get the foot pegs in when it's fully inflated, but you can imagine there's a lot more tension that you're sort of trying to push against. So that's my first tip. Second tip is find the right position. Now in the solo kayaks, that's easy. There's only one set of straps here. But in the tandem kayaks, there are actually 3 sets of straps, one for the front paddler, one for the rear paddler, and then one for a solo paddling position in the middle. The reason you need the right strap position is that the front and the rear are actually not the same. So the rear strap is quite a bit bigger than the front strap. The front strap is designed so that the peg doesn't go any further forward, but the rear strap, you need to put your peg into the rear strap first. The rear strap is designed so that it can go through, so that you have the ability to then slide it into that front strap, okay? Now, once you've got your rail, this is actually the rail here. Once you've got your rail into position, once you're in the kayak, then you squeeze this back section here so that you can slide the foot peg to the right slot, whatever's comfortable for you. I really love these foot pegs because of that versatility in where you can position them, and you get a really solid, unmoving support from them. If you have any questions about the foot pegs and how to get them in your kayak, please get in touch. This is Emily at Inflatable Kayaks.